And there we go, barbecued fish, lemon butter sauce, crispy capers, all done under 5 minutes. That is super fast food. Pan on the heat and get that warm. So skewer a 3 centimetre thick slice of cabbage and hit that with a little bit of olive oil and brush on both sides. Season, a little bit of salt and cracked black pepper straight over the charcoal. Olive oil to the pan, then add in 3 tablespoons of drained baby capers. Now the capers will spit a bit, which is the vinegar just been cooked out, but just keep that going. When the capers go dark and crispy, strain them into a bowl and put them on a kitchen paper towel tray to drain. After 3 minutes, you should have nice char. Yep, that's it. Give that a turn and do the same to the other side. Place the pan back on the heat. Olive oil to the pan and add in the fish. After about 90 seconds, flip the fish. Check the cabbage, it feels nice and soft. Give that a little flick, and that is beautiful. Add 6 asparagus spears, lightly blanched and lightly seasoned. Transfer the fish to a plate. Remove the asparagus spears, which are done. Add in 30 grams of butter to the pan and the juice of half a lemon. And slide in the finished cooked fish. Add in the juices from the fish onto the plate. A section of the barbecued cabbage, 3 asparagus spears, a little bit of the lemon butter sauce, a scattering of the crispy capers, a little bit of parsley and lemon balm on this windy day from the garden. And there we are, lunch cooked in 5 minutes. That is good fast food.